Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I just wanted to come on and quickly share the winner of my Santa Baby mini album. There was recently a giveaway on my channel on my last Scrap Diva Designs project share video, and this was a project that I made including many of the dies from the December release, some of the projects I made from previous releases, and it's just a really cute album to put in Christmas pictures or recipes or whatever. So whoever wanted to enter, they entered the word or added the words Santa Baby in their comment of that video. Thank you guys so much to all of your wonderful comments. I was just blown away by everybody's really, really nice words, and I'm so glad that many of you were interested in my prize. But of course I can only pick one, so I did use the random YouTube comment picker this morning to find the winner, and the winner is Yvette Turner, and this was her very sweet comment. Thank you so much, Yvette. I am so glad that you are the winner of my mini album, and of course I'm going to include some extra goodies in your package. So please email me at the email down in the description box. Email me your mailing address and I will send this out this week. So again, thank you guys so much to everybody who was interested. I will definitely have more giveaways coming up. That's one thing I'm going to be trying to do more of in the new year, is to have giveaways, because I want to show my appreciation to all of my subscribers. I can't thank you enough for always coming back to my channel and for just your support. So I think a nice way to show my appreciation is to have giveaways more often. So, all right, thanks again, everybody. Just a quick little video. I'll be back soon. I have a Temu sponsored haul coming up. Lots of great stuff. Just got it yesterday, so that video is coming soon. And of course, more crafty videos to come as well. So thanks again. Hope you guys are having a great weekend and had a wonderful Christmas. I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye, everyone.